is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you visited before, it is so good to see you again. On this channel, we share shopping hauls, create budget-friendly DIYs, and home decor. I am lit up with excitement today to bring you this merry and bright Christmas tree wreath. I made it using mainly Dollar Tree items and a couple of items from Walmart. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video and you don't miss out on any of my upcoming holiday fun. I also have a Christmas tree series. That playlist is linked in the description below. Now let's get to where all the magic happens. My craft room, come on, let's go. For this wreath, you're going to need one 14-inch wire wreath form. This is from the Dollar Tree. One door hanger, merry and bright. This is from the Dollar Tree. A 15-foot tinsel garland. That's from Walmart. Some light bulb ornaments. These are from the Dollar Tree. A light bulb necklace. This is from Walmart. And four 24-inch pieces of ribbon. I pre-cut my ribbon, but this ribbon is from the Dollar Tree. I started by twist tying one end of the garland onto the wreath form. Then I wrapped the entire garland around the wreath form. Once I wrapped the entire garland around the wreath form, I twist tied the other end onto the wreath form to hold it in place, and then I evened it out and fluffed it up, and now it's ready for the ornaments. I arranged all my ornaments and then I glued them into place. I did have to remove all the ornaments on the right side because I remembered that I was going to use my merry and bright sign. I positioned the sign on the wreath, and then I hot glued some pipe cleaners to the back of the sign to attach it to the wreath. I allowed the pipe cleaners to set before placing the sign on the wreath. I pulled the pipe cleaners to the back of the wreath. After checking the position of the sign, I twist tied the pipe cleaners to the wire wreath form, pulling them tightly for a secure hold. I added hot glue to the back of the sign for a stronger hold. For this wreath, I'm making a loop and tail bow. I have four 24-inch strips of ribbon, two different designs. I'm holding the ribbons at 6 inches and making 6-inch loops, alternating ribbons. I will use a pipe cleaner to tie these together twisting the pipe cleaner and turning the ribbons for a tighter hold. You can make these bows as big as you want, just add more loops. The more loops, the bigger the bow. Don't forget to fluff your loops and tails. To dovetail your ends, you're going to bring the edges of the ribbon together and cut at a slant towards the edge of the ribbon. Crafters never stop fluffing. Believe me, there'll be more fluffing. Now for the lights. Since this is a necklace, I undid the closure and strung the light string around the wreath. Once I had the lights in place, I used pipe cleaners to secure the light string to the wreath. I glued the bow to the top of the wreath and yep, more fluffing. I took the ribbon from the door hanger and tied it to the wreath, and it is now the wreath hanger. How adorable is this wreath? The lights stay on, they flicker fast or slow or turn off. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and subscribing. I hope you have a merry and bright holiday season, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!